Hello, today is the 13th of July. I am Dr. Tushar Shah and we are talking about outpatient management of COVID-19 patients. Today is on investigations in the outpatient. There is a problem regarding investigations because there is no protocol, there are no guidelines and everybody does what they want. However, I think we should be guided by some things and I am going to try to give suggestions regarding this. If the patient is below the age of 40, if the clinical suspicion of COVID is high, if the patient has no comorbidities, and fourth, if the patient has good space to isolate within the house, I will not investigate such a patient. I will not even do the RT-PCR. That is my policy. If the patient is above the age of 60, whether or not isolation is possible at home, whether or not the patient is seriously ill, whether or not it's the first day or the 7th day of fever, I will investigate the patient. Above the age of 60, I will investigate the patient whether or not comorbidities exist. And I will investigate the patient the first day the patient comes to me. What investigations? Blood and RT-PCR. What blood tests? We'll talk about it in the next talk. But basically will also be based on the comorbidities of the patient. If the patient is between 40 and 60, then depending on comorbidities and depending on the need to give favipiravir, I will investigate the patient. If the patient has comorbidities, I will treat the patient as if he was above the age of 60. If the patient is to be given favipiravir, then I will need to establish a diagnosis by doing an RT-PCR and therefore I will do that and also do some blood tests because favipiravir requires some blood tests. We'll talk about that again. So I'll repeat myself at the cost of burden. Below 40, no tests if 4 things. Below 40, home isolation possible. Patient is without comorbidities and your clinical diagnosis is fairly certain. Above 60, whether or not comorbidities, blood tests, RT-PCR. If RT-PCR is negative, which it can be false negative, I will do the HRCT in that person who is above the age of 60 to confirm. I might also do RT-PCR, HRCT if RT-PCR is positive to know the degree of lung involvement, so that I can judge whether this patient will go for hospitalization or not. Between 40 and 60, I'm repeating, comorbidities, treat as if above 60. No comorbidities, take a call. If you plan to give any patient favipiravir, blood investigations, RT-PCR and or HRCT become mandatory. Thank you so much.